Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Patchy mix in UFC 5. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Create Fighter option. You will then choose the men's bantamweight division, as this is his natural weight class. Next, enter his first name, Patchy, and his last name, Mix. Don't forget to add his well-known nickname, No Love, to complete his basic profile. This sets the foundation for your custom fighter. Now, let's focus on his physical appearance to make your fighter truly resemble Patchy Mix. Set his height to 5 feet 11 inches, which is quite tall for his division. His reach should be 71.5 inches. Choose an athletic body type to reflect his lean, powerful build. Finally, select a hairstyle and facial hair that closely match his distinctive look, paying attention to details for authenticity. Patchy Mix is renowned for his exceptional grappling, so choose a fighter type like Jiu-Jitsu or wrestler to reflect this. Focus on maximizing his submission offense and defense attributes, as he has 13 submission victories. Also, significantly enhance his ground control and takedown skills. Remember to boost his overall stamina and health, ensuring your fighter can maintain a high pace throughout 3 or 5 rounds. To truly capture Patchy Mix's essence, ensure your fighter has his signature guillotine and rear naked choke submissions. Incorporate long kicks and powerful knees into his striking repertoire, as these are key elements of his stand-up game. Finally, customize his fight kit and entrance to add a personal touch. Practice his unique blend of striking and grappling to dominate opponents, just like the real No Love.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.